So we're Hybrid Theory. I'm Pedro.
I'm Igor.
And I'm Momo.
It's a pleasure to be here at Chimong. It's our second time in India. We were meant to play yesterday. Sadly, the weather didn't allow for that, but we were happy to stay. And fortunately, we could make it happen so that we can play today and show what we do. Yeah, of course. It's a big stage. It seems to be calling a lot of people out as well. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good one.
The experience it's been amazing. People are very kind to us. We've been walking on the street and many people coming to us and to ask for pictures and everything. So it's been amazing.
Have you met other fans?
Yeah, we met some.
How was that experience?
It's cool. It's a little bit strange for us, but it's really cool to know that you're so far from home, but still like everyone kind of knows you and they come to say hi and to say they're here to watch you. So that's really cool.
Anything else that you guys want to
We just hope everything goes well, that we're able to do our best, and then
And then
people like
everyone
it.
enjoys it.
Yeah, exactly.
lastly, what if thanks to the festival and the government for blessing us? You just say what if
Thank you to all the people involved. We really know how much effort they had to put in because of all the rain yesterday. It's not easy for such a big event to not just cancel everything. So take my hats off for the people organizing this event and how much effort they're putting to make sure that people still get this festival going and everyone still has a good time. So thank you to them, thank you to the government, everyone that allows this to happen and everyone involved.
Good.